that's hot yet. So you're gonna get zapped.
Got it again.
So here's what the TV will do if it's got a bad power board right there. So first we'll remove this back in here is where the power board is. That's what's wrong with this one. So right here's the power supply that we need. We'll check visually to see if anything is hot looking. One thing you don't want to do, even if you've it powered off, that's hot yet. So you're gonna get zapped. There's capacitors in here that will get you lit up. I know in fact it is this power supply, not the LEDs, just because the LEDs come on for a brief minute and then go out. So we're gonna replace this and make sure that's the issue. Now, since I plugged it in, gotta be careful. This is all still charged up. These are the capacitors right here, and they will zap you if you get it from the back end. Right here is the one that's bad. See how it's bulged up? Right there. It's bulged. It should look like those. That's the one that's bad. So we got those new. They're $1 a piece off eBay. Have the capacitor, didn't have the right voltage. Take that one. Now I'm actually gonna mark this. I don't believe it matters which one goes where. But when I unplug the actual LEDs from that's what we have. So we're changing out that guy right there. So the one thing I did notice, I got my new package. I've got 10 of these for $10. Now they're the same number, 450 volt, 10 volt, but it sits a little taller. But it looks like I'm gonna have plenty of clearance in here, so I think we should be good. Alright, so we're going to put this in here. Make sure the negative is on the negative side. You got the positive and negative side. Son of a biscuit. I got zapped all day. She's holding a charge yet, that's for sure. Right there. Got it. So you gotta be careful on this board. So yeah, don't do what I did there. Got zapped. I should have discharged all those other capacitors or left it sit for like days. Live and learn. Just a little zap on the old finger. Now we're gonna attempt. I'm gonna double check to make sure there's no power there. Double check my polarity. Positive. Got it again, people. Oh, man, that thing holds a punch. Woo! Dang it. Not sure if this is worth it. Oh, man. Oh. There we go. We'll see if this bad boy will work now. So when my stakes were made, they were made right here. So all these are capacitors. They hold electricity. They will shock you. And yeah, it hurts. You'll jump like I did. Bored. I don't do this every day, as you can see. Okay, put my wires back here. Wires there. And connect this back here. And we'll see. We'll fire it up and watch the fireworks. And look at that. Just cut it off and turned on. Perfect. It's working, guys. We'll get it put back together here. So sweet. It is working. Unplug it. Put all this back together now. And the bad thing is most people probably throw this TV away. Go buy a new one for $500, $600, whatever. Got all my screws here handy dandy vacuum sealed, so I don't lose anything. And we're back in business. The TV. Definitely gotta really get this right. Just like that. It'll be there like that. There we go. Now I'm going to turn her back on and we'll see what we got for a picture. Hopefully it's all good and good. Should turn on here. There we are. Looks good to me. Alright, there it's working. And there you have it. Kids are happy, everybody's happy.